Hi, my name is Brian from Crypto Corner, and today I am going to show how you can swap coins within Coinbase. And you'll see on the screen I have my Coinbase account open. So you just log in. If you're not a member of Coinbase, you have to sign up. And I already have some crypto in my Coinbase account. So I'm going to be swapping Ethereum, which I have about $54 in, to USDT, which is a tether coin needed for a lot of the Web3 uh, technologies if you want to join a mining pool or something like that. So what you do is go into your assets here and you choose Ethereum, which has a $54. And then right over here, there's a button for converting. And then what you'll do is you'll actually do the converse here. So you're going to be going from Ethereum to Tether. And if it's the first time you've swapped to that coin, you'll have to search for it here. But just choose Tether, and then you put a dollar amount up here. I'm just going to do $25, and then review the order. So it's going to be sending 0.009 of Ethereum to the Tether USDT. And then you do convert now. And now the order is submitted. It does take a few minutes. You'll actually get a notification here. And this is to swap it within the platform. So Coinbase here. So you get says you swapped $25. Your USDT is now available. So the swapping usually is almost instantaneous, but sometimes it takes a few minutes. So now we can go back in, and yeah, there's the $25, and now I just have the $29 for Ethereum. Welcome to the comments for this video, and I ask if you'd like to please subscribe to my channel here on YouTube. And I post videos almost every day on various crypto technologies. So I welcome you to join the channel. Thank you very much.